over there.
I see it. Let's paddle faster. We are going to find treasure. We're taking on too much water. I can't row fast enough. It is sinking faster.
If you want to create more videos like this, join our Golden Voice family now.